Good morning, students. Welcome back to e-lectures of DAV Thermal. Today we will discuss question answers of the excerpts of the poem I Dream a World written by the poet Langston Hughes. Excerpt A. I dream a world where all will know sweet freedom's way, where greed no longer saps the soul, nor avarice blights our days. Here, first question is, what do you mean by saps the soul? Answer is, it means to weaken or destroy the spiritual power. Second question, which literary device has been used in the stanza? Give example. Here, literary device alliteration is used in the stanza. For example, saps the soul. Question third, what kind of world does the poet dream of? Answer is, the poet dreams of an ideal world where all the men are free. There is no greed among the people and they live in peace and love each other. Now, question 4. What does I stand for? Answer is, I stands for the poet. Question 5. What is the rhyme scheme and rhyming words of the stanza? The rhyme scheme of the stanza is AB, AB, and rhyming words are all, soul, way, day. Extract B is, and joy like a pearl attend the needs of all mankind. Question 1. Name the poem and the poet. The poem is I Dream a World and the poet is Langston Hughes. Question 2. What has joy been compared to? Which poetic device is used in the stanza? Answer is, the poet compares joy to a pearl and simile is the poetic device used in the given stanza. Question 3. What is the significance of this comparison? And the answer is, joy has been compared to a pearl as joy brings richness to our life. Question of values is, greed and avarice are two negative human qualities we need to shun. Do you agree? If yes, how do you think we can ensure that we do not fall victims to such qualities? Answer is yes. Greed and avarice are two negative qualities that we need to shun. We don't fall victims to such qualities when the virtues like love, peace, equality, and freedom will rule the world. Next question is for Horst. Question 4. The poet has described some features of his dream world. Make a list of steps that need to be taken to translate the poet's dream into reality. And the answer is, the poet wants to make the earth a beautiful place to live in. He wants to promote love, peace, and happiness. There should be no discrimination on the basis of caste, creed, and color. We should have a helpful attitude towards each other. Now the homework is learn and write question answer in your notebook. Thank you.